I see a lot of content creators creating videos and they just edit the video, put the footage together, some music under it, and that's it. I don't like to do that. I love to add sound. My academic background comes from sound design, recording arts. So I want to be able to take you inside of the story. Let me show you. First thing I did was I'm gonna do some steps. And then you can hear the steps walking as he goes inside. I saw the bottle of water because it's in slow-mo. I want to be able to hear the water, so I added water sound. Now, I want to create the intensity that your body feels when you go to a jiu-jitsu class. You have that intensity knowing that it's not going to be easy. So for that, we actually added a clock. It's very low, very smooth. It's just subliminal at this point, okay? So now, I want this transition to have a sound as well from the logo to here, right? Now, you see that fan? You hear it? You still can hear it right here, but it's far, it's inside there. You're not even gonna hear it, but subliminally, your brain is understanding what's happening. Now I added the ambience noise. I don't know how to say it. This is a part of post-production. This is what it is. We add in Foley and sound effects. The walla, which is people talking in the background that you don't really hear what they say, but I added in there. Let's listen to it. Now, let's hear it with the sound at the beginning, how it sounds, okay? So there you have it. Every time you are creating a video, don't just add the music and send it. Try to take us there. Take me inside of the story. Let me see what it is about. How does it feel, right? So thank you for watching. This is how to add sound. So make sure to do that, right? You might see my voice a little bit weird. I'm sick, but I thought that this was good to record. So thank you guys, and I'll see you next time.